Question 2. There was a bag full of oranges. 6 were squeezed to make juice. This left 4 in the bag. How many were in the bag to start with? There was a bag full of oranges. The bag of oranges is my whole amount. 6 were squeezed to make juice. So the 6 squeezed is my 1 part. And that's a bit more than half. So it's 6. This left 4 in the bag. The 4 left in the bag is my other part. I'll put my parts down here. How many were in the bag to start with? In the bag to start with is the whole, and it is my unknown that I need to find. It's not given in the information. I know both my parts, but I don't know my whole. So I'm going to use this plan of part add part equals whole. A part of 6 add a part of 4 will equal my part that is the whole or the unknown. 6 add 4 is 10. So the answer should be 10 oranges. I'm going to check this by arranging my parts so as I can see without counting. I recognise 6 like this, and I recognise 4 like that, and I can see that that's very easy to change to a whole of 10. So my maths is correct. The last thing I need to check is the question. I go to the question mark. How many were in the bag to start with? There were 10 oranges in the bag to start with. So I write that next to the question mark.